Hey guys, it is cookie baking day. Always running out of different size cookie scoops. So I got these cookie scoops and it comes in a variety of different sizes. So I love that because that's what I need for today especially. So this large one here, as you guys can see, it's a very big scoop. It is 6 centimeters. So that's gonna give you a large diameter size cookie. The next size here is the medium. This is gonna give you about the average size scoop cookie, but it's 5 centimeters. This has a really great spring mechanism. And so when you put the cookie on there and it springs, you're gonna be able to see this is scooping it. So it's gonna scoop that cookie right out of there very easily. Now the small one here is going to give you just that little bit smaller diameter, about 4 centimeters. But same thing with all of these. It's got a great scooping mechanism. So it's gonna scoop that cookie right out. It's got the spring here. And best thing about these, they can all go in the dishwasher. So I am excited to be using all of these today. I love making cookies and this just makes my life a whole heck of a lot easier. Go check it out.